we're back. It's the next day. And you know what? Let's just continue trying to put on the E36 Widebody. Starting with the front bumper, which actually looking at it requires a lot of body / Bondo work. So let's get started on that because we still have to wait a couple hours for it to actually dry. And then once that's fully installed, we can work around it and try to get the side fenders installed today as well. Let's get it. So yesterday, what I basically did was I reappropriated the top part of the OEM grill just so we'd have this frame bit, and so the front bumper can actually have something to attach onto the car with. Just because this kit didn't really come with a manual or a guide and no pre-drilled holes or nothing like that, so it's really on us to try and make this work. Now my only concern is it's kind of loose on the bottom because I still have to figure out how to attach that. So our plan is to actually just reinforce the bottom of these onto the bumper, make it super rigid with fiberglass sheets.
I am fatigued, I give it my all with the music. People do not recognize the passion I have for the craft. The effort I'm giving with every line that I write. A ridiculous life is affecting my content. All of the sins that would sit on my conscience. Insecurities that I am possessing. Why is my depth in a constant obsession? I am reflecting.
So unfortunately, I won't be able to run my Z-Wing crash bar because when the wheel fell off on us that one day, basically the entire front end of the car fell on the bar and bent it. So as you can see right there, it is kind of curved. So it brings the bottom of the bar a little further than it should. So I'll fix that before I install it with the bumper, but for now, it fits so much better without it. Nice. Now you guys get a better idea of exactly how wide this thing is. Just got a Mentos moment. I really still want to run the bar, so instead what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn this upside down on the car and then jack the car up from the top, which will be the bottom. And hopefully it bends back into place. So I didn't put any bolts on the top ones because I want that to flex back into, well, I just want this curve to be flat. That actually looks pretty cool. If I can actually mount my lights like that, the fuck? It's like a Mustang. It actually worked. It's flat again. Yes. This side needs just a little bit more. But I think that's like the highest this goes. Not bad, man. But this side is perfect. Oh yeah, the Z-Wing crash bar sits so much better. I can tell. It used to be really close to the headlights, but yeah, that's so much better. This back should be able to just line up. Oof, oof, damn, not bad. Okay, maybe this side I just gotta lower it. Oh wait, what? Better. And as you can see, it still fits with the crash bar, and I don't think I have to do any trimming, but we'll see once we put on the side fenders. Okay, so I'm missing almost 1.5 inches right here. When we get to the Bondo work, our goal is to extend this. So I think, yeah, that's easy enough. We can just even like cut it here. There will be a gap and then fill that in with fiberglass cloth and Bondo. Close, but no cigarette butts. If I flex the bottom part, that's better. Huh, maybe that's what I'll do. And then according to Google Images, 2 bolts go right here. So actually that's not bad. Let's get this thing drilled in. Okay, since the bottom flexes, I'm just gonna put the chair there for now. Try to get that flush. This you can kind of, also you kind of want to try to line this up with this. So right now we're actually pretty good. This is expected. And then, yeah, I'll probably fill this in as well. So now, just recreate these holes in our new fenders and hope for the best, or it'll all work out. So we only got these 3 right here. 1, 2, 3, including the front one. But we'll start from the rear and make our way towards the front. And yeah, I have an idea for the holes. Okay, to the best of our ability, I'm gonna line these up. Damn, son. Actually, no, that's good. It's the headlight that needs to be pushed out, which we can do by extending these out just a bit. They're little bump stops. But yeah, it's pretty good. Looking at this real close, as you can see, there's like 2 bolts right there. So I'm thinking we're just gonna try and mark off 2 holes here, drill them out. That way we can put a bolt setup to hold this in place, like that. Here's another reference. And I think, see what I'm trying to base it off of is this little groove right here. If we follow that up, I think it's just a little bit to the right of that. So we're close, but maybe I'll do that. And the other one is about 1 inch or so from the side. I think this is actually pretty decent placement. Little missing area right here. We're just gonna Bondo that so that this is completely smooth. We're just gonna use self-tappers for now. Whoop. Take this off and it should be okay. Yes. Now it's kind of lopsided because first of all, we haven't really bondoed the centerpiece yet, and this side is kind of flexing, so it's pushing everything this way. But you guys get a gist. Well, that's actually pretty good. So now we just got to repeat the same steps to the other side.
Watch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I have to get the bag. Ice my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's where money be in my bag. I gotta do shit that I gotta never have. I got a ball, roll to the wrist, diamonds are froze.
Just got his new downpipe installed. Is it in sport mode?
I like that.
Pretty deep growl, man. I like it. Man, this guy's moving quick on his S5. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna call it an early night. I just wanted to get the front at least installed. So the front bumper and the 2 side fenders, and obviously it's gonna need a little more work. And when I say a little, I mean a lot. A lot. I'm gonna try to tackle the sides tomorrow, and I still don't know what I'm gonna do with the rear fenders. Larry gave me the idea of just molding them, and I actually had that in the back of my mind before, so I think I'm actually gonna do that. We'll do a couple of beauty shots for you so you guys get a gist of what it looks like on the car. Tomorrow's another day for the E36. I know you guys have been waiting for the E36 content. I mean, this is a Beamer too. Come on, guys. Looks good. Other than that, if you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Ciao. Missed it. Hey. Sure. Miss you, please. Bum. Pound it? Yeah!